Wagwan, when up morning, evening, noon, night, and spots on the big up on yourself. That time of day is something there. That video is something there. So today's video is gonna be on Macka Diamond, and Macka Diamond is currently in Costa Rica, where she's having her first show for the new year, doing a little mini tour and all. And she just put on her Instagram the feedback and how she's overwhelmed by the love, the welcome, and how the fan just makes she keep want to going different from back home in Jamaica. And she can't understand why is it that other country can support her like this, but her fellow Jamaicans keep tearing her down. And if she had followed them, she would have stopped doing music. So this is what Macka Diamond had posted on her Instagram. Check it out.
I cry on the way back. I was like tears running to my eyes. For no say, Lord Jesus, my own people, like my own people, bring me down, Like if I follow my own people, I'm gonna give up, I'm gonna give up and becoming our next country, our next town, and the love me I get. I mean, it's like it's just November. I do a show here, and in less than 2 months I'm back. And when I come over the stage last night, the promoter said, "Macka, you're ready for the rest of places." And I said to myself, John, like my own people, them can't see my talent, can't see nothing. But out of town, these people don't talk English. Them people don't understand. No, me I say, I must about 4 people in the crowd understand English. And the love me I get, Costa Rica, I'm love, I'm a new home, I'm a new family, I'm love.